Imagine a herd of elephants pausing, silent and still, around the bones of a fallen companion. Elephants have been seen caressing the remains with their trunks, standing vigil, and even covering the body with leaves and branches. These touching rituals go beyond mere instinct. Elephants display clear signs of grief, returning to the site of a loss long after, as if honoring the memory of their lost kin. Their behaviors suggest a profound awareness of life's fleeting nature, a rare insight into the emotional depths found in the animal kingdom.